And we're back. It is March 10th, 2025. It is Monday at 6:30 and the market's open. Gonna get our first 5-minute level set, and then we're gonna see what kind of setup we have presenting itself today. Right now we don't have any news, any specific news that's gonna be coming out other than Trump is supposed to speak at some point today, so hopefully it'll be later in the afternoon. All right, 6:35. So we have our level set. We are going to have our 5-minute high right here. This is our pre-market low along with our 5-minute low, and this is our previous day / Friday's last week's previous low, along with some liquidity zones. This is a daily liquidity zone. This is going to be a weekly liquidity zone, which I'm going to reset some levels here. 1 second. Alright, so let's just wait for our break and retest. We have a super strong impulsive candle that did break the pre-market low, and we have a nice retesting of it actually right here, but we are waiting for either a 5-minute low or a 5-minute high. The market is an extremely downtrend. We are below 20,000 with, I think the market opened with 300, 400 points down this morning. We're certainly in more of a bearish downtrend these past couple weeks. So right now we're creating a little bit of an uptrend. The pre-market low is starting to create a bit of support system forward right now. I'm going to see how it reacts with our 5-minute high right here. Hopefully we'll see a little bit of a good displacement break and retest into this level. A little bit of a break of our 5-minute high right here. We do see some sellers stepping back in with these large wicks right now. Okay, we broke this upward trend right here. We are struggling to get above our pre-market low right here. I want to see us break into our 5-minute low with a little bit of a retest before we hop into something. However, this is proving to have the exact same effect of what we're looking for down here. We broke through. This is also a retest where it looks like we're retesting back into our pre-market low. Sellers do look like they're coming into more control though. As of right now, our 5-minute low is also our current day low. Low of day. Sorry. Here's that retest of the pre-market low right now. We broke through it and we're getting some strong price action. I want to see a failure to get above the pre-market low, and then and I'll have really good confidence that the sellers are going to be stepping in and going to claim this level here. There's another candlestick closure below the pre-market low. And there's the break. Buyers couldn't reclaim this level here. Sellers are stepping in. Would have been great to take a pre-market low retest right here, but we are coming into our 5-minute level here. There's the break right there. We did make a new low of day. Sellers broke through the 5-minute low level twice here. I want to see a candlestick close below it, indicating that the buyers are exhausting themselves a little bit. There's our candlestick close below. Let's see our retest right into it here, and then we'll jump into a short. Okay, looks like I missed it. This was the retest right here. I should have hopped in right here. We might get to see a little bit of a retracement back up into this level here, and I'll hop into a short. There we go. We're getting some support with the previous day low. Right now, buyers are trying to reclaim this level. We're getting a retest into this. There's our retest into the 5-minute low right now. We need to see the candlestick close below this level before we hop into a short. That's some really strong price action. We're gonna hop into short with this candlestick close right here. All right, we're gonna wait now. This is some strong upward movement. We did break above our 5-minute low level with the candlestick close above it. I'm going to wait for this candle to close. We need to see this be pretty strong and below our 5-minute low level before entering into a short here. There's our break into our 5-minute low. I want to see this candlestick close below, and we'll hop into a short. And there we go. There's our break. Let's wait for this little bit of a retest. Should have entered right here. It's okay though. We'll see a little bit of a retest back up into this. Whenever this candlestick closes, I'm going to hop into a short. Oh, we're getting a lot of strong price action right now. Buyers stepping back into this level right here.
Order submitted.
We needed to break low of day right here. Came very close. Low of day was broken, approaching our first profit target. This is going to be a daily liquidity zone that hasn't been touched. It's from a couple months ago. Actually, this might actually be from last year. My chart doesn't go as far back to see the date, unless I add
target
to it. All right, we had our first
order canceled.
Take profit. I am going to move my stop loss down a little bit. I don't want to really lose too much profit. We're approaching our second take profit. I'm expecting some reaction to this level right here. We might see a little bit of a bounce. I want to see it cut right through and just we will be able to call it for the day. I did move my stop loss to my break even, a little bit above my break even, just so I won't lose any type of profit that I was able to take on that first profit take. We're going to cut right through this real quick. Watch this.
Order canceled.
And there is our second take profit, and we're done for the day. Let me just check something. Good. Awesome. This is probably going to continue to go down a little bit today. I imagine we'll maybe have some resistance at this level right here, but kind of a choppy market. Didn't really get too many of the retests that, like a proper retest that I wanted. Thought I missed this. Luckily we waited here. With this close right here, the candlestick closed above our 5-minute low, which was why I didn't hop into it. But then we came crashing down really quickly on this candle. We did get a nice retest up into here. That's why I hopped into it at this candle close, because we had all of last week's data like holding us down here. Even though I wanted to see the retest here, we technically, this candlestick right here was our retest. It just happened so fast I needed to wait for this to close. So it's Monday. We're starting the week green, which is great. So I am going to call it here. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see everyone tomorrow.